I don't know what Brett's doing. Brett, you coming with?
No, he's staying at the log. That's what I'm saying.
No, he's coming with.
I thought you were staying there.
You staying or you coming?
If he's coming, if he's staying.
I see one. Just keep on looking back there, right? Don't move. Teresa, well right now we have them pinned up against that and there.
Is the truth, I don't even know where you guys went. Visual, he's pointing a gun at you, it looks like. It's Jeremy.
Jeremy's putting a gun at me?
Looks like it. Oh, it's Jeremy because he has a bald head.
I got one moving left. They're coming in. One moving left coming in. Advance up.
Yeah, that's the guy, that's Jeremy.
Advance up. Maybe find some cover. That would be Brett. And his sneaky ass. Excuse me. Oh, he's hit. Okay. Jeremy down.
Good, now I gotta find Andrew.
Well, depending on who's medic. If Jeremy's medic, then he's down. Andrew might come to him.
Can he revive himself?
Not really sure. Just keep watch of him.
Don't know where he is, though.
Dead ahead of me. He's got the red flag out. You see it? You can sit here now that he's dead. You can sit here now that he's dead. You see him straight back?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. Okay, now we gotta find the dingus. Watch Jeremy while me and Teresa smoke him, alright?
Got it.
Alright. Wait, why am I using the radio?
I don't know why I used the gun, Dad.
Okay, you can move out of there. I see him now. Straight in front of me, about 200, like about 100 feet. He's behind a barricade. Babe? Okay, Andrew, straight out. Brett, straight. Only his head's popped out. He's going to pop out his head again. I'm going to shoot it down. Make sure you see him. Ready? Did you see it?
Stay with me, Adam. Do not leave.
How come? You're a sniper.
What'd you say?
You're a sniper.
So?
We won't be too far away. Actually, we'll be right here. He's shooting our way.
I actually lost him when I went back to the tree behind me.
Roger that. He's running right.
He's running to the right. Try and go back to the door.
Roger that. Brett, hold on. Look for cover, look for cover. Don't just run in there. Brett, there's a log over here if you need it. Now we got him cornered, sort of. Please? Cover my bacon? Oh, you can move up whenever you want.
Fire with him.
Yeah, we're exchanging fire.
Catch his attention. I'm going to try to move up on the left.
Roger that. Baby can shoot. Ah, hit! Where the hell's Teresa?
Hit! I got hit in my dump pouch.
Mm-hmm.